Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the active specification. This is a one-owner vehicle that's done less than 10,000 miles. It's got a full service history and it comes with a 7-inch touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but there's also air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with 1 year's warranty and roadside assistance. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.